get up there and we'll see what this exhaust fan looks like. Let me get the ladder down here. Alright, so we got two fans up here. This one here is doing a little dance in his pants. See that? Let's see what we got. Bouncing around big time. Trying to kill himself. Let's see if I can get this turned off. Looks like someone might have stuck a belt on there. I wonder if they put the belt on too tight. Let's see. When I check it, what I'll do is I'll just check this whole mechanism, the bearings. The bearings feel great. They need some grease. The bearing assembly and the shaft and everything, and the wheel is good. The motor, the bearings are good in the motor, but something's off in there. And then what I'll do to test it is I'll turn it back on and let it run for a bit. Then listen. Something in there's a little haywire. That guy's gonna get a new motor. It's the evening right now, so I won't be able to get one for it till tomorrow. So we'll get a new motor for that guy, and motor and pulley and belt. Get that thing all situated.